Climb inside the 2012 Honda Odyssey. This 8-passenger van provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, power trunk closing assist, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, heated seats, a power liftgate, removable floor console, and leather upholstery. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.